Tonight for dinner, we're using leftovers to make homemade KFC bowls. Last night for dinner, we had a rotisserie chicken, and so I like to use the leftovers from that to make this KFC bowl. Everything that I'm using is leftovers, except for this is all the mashed potatoes that I have left. So I'm going to go ahead and make some more mashed potatoes. But this is such a great way to use up some of the leftovers that you might make with like a rotisserie chicken. So for example, we did corn, I have gravy, mashed potatoes, and of course the chicken. And we did some rolls with it. So first things first, let's go ahead and make some more mashed potatoes. I'm only doing 2 large potatoes because I just don't want to end up with too many potatoes. The whole point of making this is so that we can use up leftovers. I just need a little bit more than what I have. Okay, they're covered with water, and I like to add a little bit of chicken bouillon to my potatoes as they're boiling. To me, it just adds a little bit more flavor. While my mashed potatoes are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and warm up my gravy. I do like to make my own gravy, so if that's something you guys would like to see, let me know. I'm going to add in just a little bit of water because it did thicken up quite a bit in the fridge overnight. While the gravy's warming up, let's go ahead and prep the leftover chicken. It's mostly just some thighs. I have a couple of chicken wings and a little bit of breast left. I'm just going to cut the breast up into smaller pieces, and I'm going to get as much meat off of the thigh bones as I can. Now obviously the wings don't have much meat. I don't think I'm going to worry about them. I'm just going to throw them in with the rest of the chicken carcass so that I can make some bone broth. My gravy's kind of warmed up now, so I'm going to add in some of my chicken and let that warm up the rest of the way together. I'm going to shred up some cheddar cheese. All right, I've got my mashed potatoes. I'm going to pour over some of the gravy with the chicken. Warmed up my corn, and I'm just going to sprinkle some corn on top. And then add on some of that cheddar cheese. It's so good every single time. This is one of my favorite ways to use up leftovers.